Hi, have you heard of the job seeker visa? Yes, the German job seeker visa specifically. Well, what is job seeker visa? This is a visa category that allows you to move to Germany without a job. So you basically get a job visa to come to Germany and look for a job. The idea is this: it's much more easier for you to get a job when you are in Germany than when you are applying from your home country. So the German government has actually created a specific visa category that would allow skilled worker and fresh graduates to relocate to Germany and look for a job while they are in Germany. So it's basically, they give you about 6 months. You come to Germany, you find a job, and once you find a job, you get your residence, not permanent, but you get a residence. You can actually get a blue card if your job is paying you very well. And this is actually one of the ways you can move and locate with your family in 2024 to Germany without even having a job at hand when you are applying for this. I don't know if this is a topic that interests you. If it's a topic that interests you, let me know, and then I can go in more detail on how you can apply for the German job seeker visa, what are the necessary requirements and everything. And if you love content like this, follow me and also like this video, and then I'll be sharing more in a few days. Thank you guys.